Hi everyone, it's Nikki here again, and today I've got a special nail for you. I'll be showing you how I created this 3D broken heart nails just in time for Valentine's. And if you do recreate this look, please just tag me and let me know. You can change colors if you want. Let me know how it comes out. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. For those who know, I always extend my nail bed because I do not use tips. I rather just sculpt it on and then I can work on my sculpt and free edge. So here I've done my stiletto nail and I've also prepped before I did everything else. I'll be applying peach sorbet to the nail bed and I'll be doing it in a V shape. So I'll do this and then I'll move on to the French part of the nail, which I'll be using glitter, a bit of broken glass, a bit of pearl dust, a bit of fairy dust, and some unicorn shattered glass. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You know, I had a little treat for you. Here it is. The kid sticker in the craft aisle. What about that?